Hi everyone, today I would like to talk about the concept of mobility. Mobility is briefly described as the movement of the workforce, so you can basically switch around in your organization, or you can join or leave an organization due to different job offers or anything else. And currently there are a few trends on the job market that are affecting mobility and that make mobility more important over time. First of all, I would like to talk about job hopping. Then I want to talk about the skill shortages that we are facing due to demographic changes. Thirdly, I want to talk about globalization and its impacts on the labor market. And of course, the learning opportunities that employees are seeking to keep up with the fast-changing environment. When we look at job hopping, we first have to analyze the job market in about 10 years. By 2030, 75% of the workforce will consist of millennials and Gen Z. And we are considered not to have a straight career path that we know from previous careers or from our parents and grandparents, but we are more considered to change departments, to change our functions, and to work for controlling, sales and HR in one career path. For example, the head of recruitment at Henkel started in sales, worked for controlling, and is now head of recruitment in HR. Secondly, we face skill shortages. Due to the demographic changes, the population is getting older and older, and we get less people who are starting a career. Additionally, we are facing the digitalization, which is forcing us to keep up with new technologies, to get knowledge in smart systems, in Industry 4.0, to get familiar with AI systems, and to be more familiar with software systems. Thirdly, we have the globalization, which is offering us multiple opportunities. We can go abroad and work there, and of course employers have more chances to acquire talents. And fourthly, I already mentioned this, is the learning opportunities. When we are looking at the fast-changing environments, we have to keep up, and we have to offer, as an HR department, opportunities to our employees so they can develop and adapt new technologies. The benefit of offering mobility are clearly that you can retain talents, and you have the chance that they stop moving around and leaving your organization, because then you offer them the opportunity to change the departments actually, and you don't have to force them to stay in the same job. And if you offer mobility, give them the chance to work abroad, you can give them the opportunity to work in another department. And secondly, you add value to the business, because you're adding diversity to your teams. You have different perspectives in your departments that are accelerating change and foster innovation.